Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I had this outstanding Ibotta haul. It's been so long since I've had an Ibotta haul like this. I've done a couple, but I've just not posted them because it was like the last day or something. But I made it my goal. I was like, didn't have too much schoolwork to do, and I was just like, I'm going to do it. So I sat down for about an hour, getting a scenario together, and it all worked out perfectly today. It was a really great day couponing. So this stuff over here was at Walmart. And these things over here were Kroger. So I know not everyone can copy this to 100%, but I'm just trying to give you ideas for rebates about stuff you can possibly get in order to score your bonus. So we got a new bonus, and it always varies. Mine was $3 back if I did 15 rebates. And I also had a level 2 bonus for $2 back if I did 25, but I only need 17 today. I did hit that. First I saw it and was like, there is no way in the world I'm going to hit 17 rebates. And I just started looking around and I found so many deals. So I'm just going to stop talking and just dive right in. So I hope that this gives you some ideas. And if you know of any other Walmart or Kroger deals that I didn't get, let me know. So first up, Persil. Now the only reason I did this, I always like to get detergent if it's under $1, and this was $1.24, so it did, pretty close. But I was getting overage from the Preparation H and the Advil, so I decided to go for the Persil. It's $5.24, $2 coupon from the $8.19 Retail Me Not, and there is a $2 savings star. So $1.24. The Preparation H towelettes. These are $3.48. There is a $2. I saw this one from Running Kimono, so I just want to give credit to her. $3.48, $2 coupon from the $8.19 Retail Me Not, and then there's a $2 savings star. So 53-cent moneymaker on the Preparation H. And then the Advil liquid gels. This is a really good one. They also have Advil migraine. I don't know if it'd work on that or not, but these are $3.98. Had a $2 off coupon from the $8.19 Retail Me Not, and then savings star at 2 different rebates for me. They had $1 back and $2 back. So this is a $1 moneymaker. So that pretty much paid for, my Persil was free. If you want to look at it that way. I always like to get detergent, and if you didn't already get the Purex, I already did that, but you need to go back and get the Purex. So that's a really awesome deal. Okay, the Dan & Light Fit, it is on rollback for 87 cents, and I got back 50 cents from Ibotta, so 37 cents. Hidden Valley Simply Dinners, these are $2.97. Had a $1.50 coupon, I believe that came in the $7.29 Smart Source. Or no, I had a 50-cent coupon, I'm sorry, 50-cent coupon. So I paid $2.47, and Ibotta is getting back $1.50. So like 97 cents, and that was good for the Ibotta. The Visine, it was $1.97, and I had $1.35 Ibotta, so that was great. I also had a 25-cent any item rebate in there. So I know this deal is kind of hard. I can't directly give you the printable link because it won't let me. I don't know why, like I usually do. But on my website, if you go over to like the right hand of the screen, it says newest coupons, and it shows this $1 off 2 cremettes. So I was able to get some of those. I printed them off. They're on coupons.com too, I'm sure. But I got them from a different site. But anyways, I had $1 off 2. It says you can only use 1 per transaction, so I split it up. It didn't say 1 per person per day. It said 1 per transaction. So I followed that. I did these 2 regular ones in a transaction and 2 of the thick and hearty. So the regular cremettes are $1.14. Pick up 2, use the $1 off 2 printable, and then you get $1 from Ibotta. So it makes them 14 cents. Each, because you're getting the $1 off 2 from Ibotta and the $1 off 2 coupon. This is a moneymaker on the thick and hearty. It's $1.14. There's $1 Ibotta. So even if you don't have the coupon, you're looking at 14 cents. But the $1 off 2 coupons was a really good moneymaker on the cremette. That was great. The Crunchmaster, and right there, that's 2 rebates, so that's awesome. The Crunchmaster, they are $2.78. Had a $1 off printable for signing up for their emails. There's $1 Ibotta, so 78 cents, and these are really good. Cottonelle flushable wipes. This isn't the best. They're $1.98 at a 50-cent coupon from the $7.29 Smart Source, or $8.5, and there's a 50-cent Ibotta. So these were 98 cents. This definitely isn't a very good deal. But like I said, I was getting crazy overage, and I just decided to go for stuff that we could actually use. Once you hear how much all this was, it was a great price. So the Windex was $2.97. It had a 50-cent coupon from the $8.12 Smart Source. Yeah, $8.12 or $8.19. There's $1 Ibotta, so $1.47. I know some people have been getting deals. I don't know if this is still available through My Points or whatever. I don't use My Points, but I know some people have been sharing their hauls with that, so there might be something additional you can get back. If someone in the comments knows about the My Points thing, let me know. On the Tic Tac gum, it is $1.14. I had a 50-cent printable from Smart Source. Here's a tip. If you already printed it, what I was able to do is if I go to each browser, so I have Microsoft, I don't know if it's Microsoft. I have Edge. It's not Microsoft. It's Windows. I get them confused sometimes. But I have Edge, I have Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. With Smart Source, if I go to each of those browsers, I can print 2 coupons. So I got 2 coupons from Firefox and 1 from Chrome. So $1.14, 50-cent coupon for each, and there are 25-cent Ibotta for the watermelon kind, this fresh mint kind, and the spearmint. So there's 3 rebates. Made those 39 cents. It's a really good deal. Okay, that's all for Walmart. Now we're going to talk about Kroger. There are some deals here that aren't Ibotta related, so they're just good coupon deals. But I'm going to go over the Ibotta stuff first. The Olive Garden croutons are 79 cents, and there's a 25-cent Ibotta. This crap, this is not a good deal at all, but I was just needing stuff for my bonus. It all worked out. It was $1.59. I had a 50-cent Ibotta. This is really annoying to me. The Dole Dippers are on the mega event for $1.99, and I had a $2 best customer coupon. What Kroger decided to do was, since I was using the $2 digital, they didn't take my mega discount off because they didn't want me to get it for free. So I was stuck paying 99 cents for this, but I was able to stack it with a 50-cent manufacturer's coupon because that was a store coupon. So I paid 49 cents, and I will get a $1 savings star. So still a moneymaker. That really infuriates me they didn't give me the mega discount because I really was entitled to, I was supposed to get it, but whatever. Nivea Men Shaving Cream, $2.49. I had a $2 Ibotta, so 49 cents. And this is like my favorite shave cream ever, so nice. Okay, this is a good one, and everyone can do this. The Once Upon a Farm products, they're on sale for $1.50. This one, which is just the 3.2 ounce, this is the best one. It's $1.50. There's a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay 50 cents. Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, and Saving Star is giving back $1. So since you're going to pay 50 cents and get back $1.50, you're looking at a $1 moneymaker. This one for the smoothies, they're also $1.50. There's a $1 digital and there's a $1 saving star. So it's just a 50-cent moneymaker. That is still a really good deal for those. Like, big moneymaker on this. And these are over in the refrigerated stuff by the yogurt. They're not in the baby food aisle. I made that mistake the first time and looked for like 30 minutes. And then I finally found them. Okay, what else? I know not everyone can do this. This just worked out good for me today. These Zone Perfect Nutrition Bars. My mom really likes these, so that's why I did them. It's $3.49, and I had a $2.50 off a 2 coupon. But the main reason I did it is I had been working on that Saving Star rebate, spend $15, get back $4 for like a couple months, and I'm so close. I was like $4 or $6 away today. So this made me hit it. I used the $2.50 off 2, and after getting the $4 back, this is like 48 cents for 2 boxes, which is insane. All right, and then the Flavor Ice. This is $1.49. I had a 75-cent Ibotta as well as a 50-cent Ibotta for the same thing, and it qualified for both rebates. It's the same product, but it was 2 different rebates, so that's all good. So it ended up making these 24 cents. And I've had so many people say they can't find them. In my store, they're over by the juice boxes and the peanut butter, and in that aisle where the fruit snacks and all that stuff is. Or maybe it's not the fruit snacks. It's where they have the like sugar and all that stuff by the peanut butter. Yeah, I don't know if all Krogers are laid out like mine. But that's where they are at my store. Okay, and the rest of this is non-Ibotta related. This is the best in my opinion. The Simple Truth peanuts. They're $1 each, and there's a $1 off 5 times digital coupon, so it makes these totally free. I did it on my card and my grandma's. That's awesome. I tested it. It works just fine. Mentos gum, totally free. It's the Free Friday today. Load it today. Use it for any time in between now and 3 weeks. But it made that free, so I did it on mine and my grandma's. On the Pampers wipes on Mega Event were $1.09. I had a 50-cent digital. Then the Kroger Neosporin was $1.49. I had a $1 digital, so 49 cents. I didn't mention that in my other video, so that's a really good deal. These Zone Perfect bars, they are $1 and had a free Friday on my grandma's card, so I went ahead and took advantage of that. And then the Band-Aids, this is awesome. They are currently 99 cents. I have 50-cent coupons on each. And then when you buy 2, you get a $1 Catalina, and if you buy 3, you get a $2 Catalina. So, but since the coupons say limit 1 on each of them, I used 1 printable, and I used 1 insert coupon from $7.29 Smart Source. So I was only able to do 2 of them. But anyways, you pay $1, you get $1 back, so it makes this free. And then I just threw in these Quaker things as my filler. They're 67 cents. I needed it to round out my mega. So After everything today, all these products probably retailed well over 50, probably more like 100. I wound up getting all these items for $3.85 plus sales tax for all this stuff. So crazy, crazy awesome deal. Go out there and get yourself some Ibotta savings. If you haven't used my referral code, please use it. It is AYJJJR. Please do that. We can work on the bonuses together. Not this bonus, but the level bonuses. It'll help you. If you don't use Ibotta that much, you have to hit the $20 redemption threshold or whatever in order to unlock your bonus, or in order to get the bonus each month, the monthly levels. So I use Ibotta a lot. So if you use my code, we'll definitely be able to hit those bonuses, the level bonuses together. So yeah, that is all that I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.